Understanding, going down the drain, an essential idiom for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating idiom that you might have heard in movies, songs, or everyday conversations, going down the drain. Understanding idioms like this one is crucial for mastering the English language, as they add color and depth to our expressions. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. The phrase, going down the drain, is used to describe a situation, effort, or resource that is being wasted or lost, often with no hope of recovery. Imagine water flowing down the drain. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. Similarly, when something is going down the drain, it's like we're losing it forever or it's being squandered. Understanding where idioms come from can make them easier to remember. The idiom, going down the drain, likely originates from the literal action of water draining away, something that is out of one's control and lost forever. Over time, it's been adapted into a metaphorical expression to describe not just physical loss, but also lost opportunities, time, money, or effort. Using idioms correctly can be a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Here are some tips. Use it to express loss or waste. It's perfect for situations where you want to emphasize that something is being lost or wasted, especially unnecessarily. Combine it with descriptions of what is being lost. For example, you could say, "All my hard work is going down the drain," to express that your efforts are being wasted. It's often used in negative contexts. This idiom is typically used to express regret, disappointment, or frustration. Let's look at some examples to see how going down the drain can be used in everyday English. After the company's main product failed, it felt like all our investments were going down the drain. I need to get my life together. I can't keep watching my time go down the drain. Seeing the project fail was heartbreaking, like watching years of dedication go down the drain. We hope this exploration of the idiom, going down the drain, has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using it in your English conversations and writing. Remember, mastering idioms is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your understanding of the language. Keep practicing, and don't let your efforts go down the drain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.